Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you exciting and interactive ways to learn Hindi. Today, we have a special episode for all the vegetable lovers out there. We are going to learn about vegetables in Hindi through English. So, let's begin with our first vegetable. Our first vegetable is the cucumber. In Hindi, we say kheera. Can you say kheera with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Cucumber, kheera, cucumber, kheera. Next we have the pumpkin. In Hindi, we say kaddu. Can you say kaddu with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Pumpkin, kaddu, pumpkin, kaddu. Next we have the sweet potato. In Hindi, we say shakarkand. Can you say shakarkand with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Sweet potato, shakarkand, sweet potato, shakarkand. Next we have the radish. In Hindi, we say mooli. Can you say mooli with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Radish, mooli, radish, mooli. Next we have the broccoli. In Hindi, we say broccoli. Can you say broccoli with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Broccoli, 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 broccoli. Next we have the green beans. In Hindi, we say hari phali. Can you say hari phali with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Green beans, hari phali, green beans, hari phali. Next we have the ginger. In Hindi, we say adrak. Can you say adrak with me? That's great. I will repeat this. Ginger, adrak, ginger, adrak. Fantastic. You did it. We've learned some fascinating vegetables in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words to build your vocabulary. Now let's have a quick recap. Cucumber, kheera. Potato, aloo. Spinach, palak. Pumpkin, kaddu. Sweet potato, shakarkand. Radish, mooli. Broccoli, broccoli. Green bean, hari phali. Ginger, adrak. Thank you. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning fruits in Hindi with us. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Dhanyawad and until next time.